Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To add additional text boxes, data fields, and images to a form, click the Add drop-down button in the toolbar at the top of the Layout Designer window. From the drop-down menu that then appears, choose the type of object to add to the form: text box, data field, or image. If you select the text box choice, then the Properties dialog box will appear on screen. Enter the text you want the text box to display into the text field at the top of the dialog box, and set any formatting properties you want the text box to possess on the Text, Border, and Background tabs. Then click the OK button to add the text box to the form. If you select the Data Field choice, the Add Data Field dialog box will then appear on screen. Click the name of the data field that you want to add to the form within this dialog box. Then click the OK button to add the data field and its associated label into the form. If you select the Image choice, then the Select Image dialog box will appear on screen. Use this dialog box to navigate to and select the image you want to add to the form. After selecting the desired image, click the Open button. If the image is not within the same directory as the company file, QuickBooks will then display a message informing you that the image must be copied into the Images folder within the company files directory. If this message box appears, then click the OK button within the warning message box to automatically copy the image to the correct folder. At that point, regardless of whether or not you needed to copy the image to the company file's image directory, a Properties dialog box then appears on screen, showing you a preview of the image you selected. Click the OK button in the Properties dialog box to add the selected image to the form. To remove objects from a form, select the object to remove, and then click the Remove button in the toolbar at the top of the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.